Bienvenidos a México Aeroespacial y Defensa. Se llevó a cabo un primer ejercicio de combate aéreo del nuevo helicóptero de rescate de combate Sikorski HH-60W Sikorski con el helicóptero ruso Mi-24 Krokodil. Las maniobras publicadas por el Pentágono tuvieron lugar en Texas, en los Estados Unidos. El Sikorski es una versión mejorada del helicóptero AH-60 Blackhawk del Ejército norteamericano, cuya misión es realizar operaciones de búsqueda y rescate, así como tareas de evacuación de unidades terrestres. A su vez, el Mi-24 es un helicóptero ruso de apoyo a la infantería, capaz de destruir tanques y fortificaciones. Se convirtió en el primer helicóptero de ataque especializado soviético y el segundo del mundo después del AH-1 Cobra. Su producción en serie comenzó en 1971 y al día de hoy tiene muchas modificaciones modernas y se exporta a muchos países. El Mi-24 se utilizó activamente durante la guerra de Afganistán, durante las operaciones de combate en Chechenia, así como en otros muchos conflictos regionales.
Training like we normally would at Moody. You get to fly the real thing, you get to see the real capabilities and real limits of the aircraft.
With all kinds of aircraft, the Whiskies have specific advantages, and the Hinds have advantages as well. The Hind is a lot bigger, weighs a lot more, and it goes a lot faster than the Whiskies. The Whiskies are better in other ways, so we're a little smaller, a little more nimble, and we have a little bit more maneuverability. So we'll be putting that to the test and trying to use the advantages we have.
Take a two-ship of helicopters, take the responsibilities that flight lead has, especially the back, and combine all of that resource management to physically maneuver formation through the sky against another helicopter. So in this case, that's the Hind, but it's a very different feel when you're having to maneuver, manage a formation as a flight lead or direct a formation as a special mission aviator in the back when there's an actual threat aircraft coming towards you. It's very easy during normal training sorties to do this choreographed, pre-briefed, scripted kind of thing in your aircraft and within the formation. It's much more difficult when you add in that third player, in this case a Hind, that everyone in the formation, like if they can take, at any point in time, they can take what's called TAC lead and make a directive call that may be what saves the formation. So this training is an opportunity to really bolster people's confidence and let them know when they need to speak up, take that TAC lead, make a directive call. That could be the difference between a formation coming back or not.